All right, what is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, DeVintage, man, back at it. I ain't got a hat on, which is out of the norm for me, but it's a rough morning. Your boy was up to like 4 or 5 in the morning playing the game. I'm not doing that no more. I'm not 12, I'm not 15. I'm not a kid anymore. I can't be doing that. Got responsibility. That probably won't happen again. But today we about to go pick up the Black Toe women's satin pairs. My first satin in the collection. The resale's looking pretty high on these guys. So if you sell them, hey, kudos to you. I was like on that tip to, I was like, man, I'm about to sell these things. But I'm gonna keep them in the collection. But a lot of shoes will be leaving the collection very soon. Throw them on GOAT and sell them just like that. I'm gonna downsize the collection like a mug. So you already know, DaRetroWizKid, we in the G body. Check him out right here, man. Check him out.
Satin.
This thing got the lamest intro, bruh.
Huh?
The lamest intro, bruh.
Nah, we sliding this thing, man. Y'all already know what time it is, man. Ooh, Thirsty just cranked up. I shouldn't have did. I hit the gas. I'm gonna need a break. You know what I'm saying?
Shit, man. Y'all stay tuned. We just gotta pick the shoes up and yeah.
Man, we gotta go to a couple spots, man. Go to a couple spots. I need to put my seatbelt on. Click of the ticket.
I'm not wearing my seatbelt in this car.
Can't nobody see if I got it on or not, but y'all boys put them seatbelts on and ride safe out there in these streets. See this nigga looking.
So we are in Shoe Palace, man. I'm about to pick up my first pair. So I'm about to give him my pair of satins and might flip these things for a stack, you know what I'm saying? But that's a shoe that I was telling Retro that you don't want to not sell and not having a collection knowing you had them. So I don't know, it's gonna be a tough for me to let go, but we about to go in here and grab them. And yeah.
Man, this man tripping, boy, man. Look, man, we about to go up in here. I told y'all, we put hella tickets in to try to get these things, man.
I got my tickets.
You just gotta do your footwork sometimes when it comes to these shoes, man. And that's exactly what your boy did. So we over here in Shoe Palace on the south side of San Antonio.
Yeah.
After that, we heading over to Ingram.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to DeVintage. What's going on with y'all boys?
Hey, I'm putting this all in my video, bruh.
What's going on with y'all boys? Hey, nah, man, but
I'll put this all in my video.
We got the Ami on the Hellcat. I'm in the Hellcat.
Yeah, the stick going crazy.
We got to get over here,
bro. You gotta do it today, bro.
You know what I'm saying?
You know,
get over here
the Shay Frost did that in his video.
For real?
Yeah.
Bro, hey,
he putting people on, bro.
That man really is grinding, bro. That man really is putting on. And yeah, man, we back to back like the Doublemint twins today in the Regals, man.
Hey, roast my shoes in the comment section below, y'all boys. Roast. It's one of my favorite shoes, though.
There we go. I used to sit on the ground in all my videos. I sit on the ground and record. Can't do it no more.
At the mall right now. Like I said, excuse the hair, man. I need a haircut, need a new lineup, you feel me? But we at the mall, Anchor Park Mall, and they about to pick up their pairs. Them boys is winning, man. They got like 4 or 5 pairs a piece. I only put in for one raffle because I was busy, man. And my little brother here, so I spent time with him. So I only had time to play in for one fucking raffle. It's not happening again. I'm gonna be everywhere putting my raffles in. So they about to pick up their pairs. I'm gonna finesse these niggas, bro. I'm gonna finesse these dudes. Y'all stay tuned. Hey, shouts out to these boys for putting me on, man. I ain't gotta do all that. It's crazy. Man. They got them releasing in Disney. Check them out. Okay. Yeah. Hey, camera about to die, so y'all stay tuned. When we get back to the crib, we talk to y'all, talk about the kicks, and see if I luck up on another pair on Singers app. So we'll catch y'all in a bit, man.
That boy finna get that double up.
That's size 8, man.
That boy finna get that double up. Is you doubling up, dog?
For my daughter when she get
Is
older,
you doubling up?
Oh.
Is you doubling up?
I don't know. We about to see.
It don't say that you entered. It just said enter. Entered. That boy got them. That boy came out here fresh this morning with them Tums on. Look at him. Tums matching the Supreme bag. Y'all can't touch him, boy. Hold up, time out, bro. Hold on, boy.
What she about to pull out, man? What she about to do, bro?
Hold on. That boy. Ooh, that boy smoking. That boy got that heat.
Wait till I get the camera out.
Boy, hold on.
Fuck with you all day, bro.
Oh, boy, that boy got them tongues on, hitting things up, boy. Hey, you got him, bro. Got him, bro. Huh? You got him, G. Hey, that boy got the last one. Check him out, boy. Check him out, boy. Hey, that boy came in saucing with the Tums. Hey, the Tums got him the dub, bro. The Tums got him the dub, bro. Hey.
Alright, so we back, man. I gotta put on the hat because I didn't feel right today without the hat on. I don't know, just something felt missing. And of course it was a hat. So today you already know what the topic of discussion is. We picked up those Satins, man. We got 2 pair, got 1, and then we got 2. But all 3 of us, me, Q, and Retro, we all got like 11 or 12 pairs all together. My boy Q went and like cashed out like 3 people right when we was in finish line. He cashed out a couple people when he got his pairs, and he could flip them things for a good little price. I think that the price is gonna rise on these. But without further ado, let's go ahead and check out these pairs. And y'all seen that fight at the beginning of the video. It did happen today at Lock and Terror Mall. I was standing in line for these shoes, and somebody showed me the fight. I'm like, man, you guys see me that, because that's crazy. I gotta show you guys what happened today. These shoes was crazy, and I'm guessing it was more limited than what people thought. And I feel like it would have been the same weight if the Travis Scotts actually released in store instead of like just online via raffle sneakers app and stuff. So I feel like this is like going down the sneaker of one of the sneakers of the year. Can't be the sneaker of the year, but one of, you know what I'm saying, top 5 gotta be. So we're gonna check it out. This is a size 7.5 from Finish Line. Check it out. Very, very nice quality. I'm really digging the shoe. That satin on the back, I feel like the satin is more crazy on that blue. And Royal Satins is something special about them. And of course you got the little black thing to pop out. I like this pair, man. This size right here is going for a good little price. So when I sell these, I'm gonna get my money back that I spent today, and I'm gonna have a lot left over to, you know what I'm saying, save, I guess. And yeah, make a nice little profit off these. So y'all let me know if y'all was able to cop today on the sneakers app. I know I took an L. I knew it was gonna come because ain't no way I was gonna hit on the Travis Scotts and hit on another raffle for a shoe that's going for a lot of money. I feel like the bots was eating them things up. They got all them entries. They had the best chance of getting them. And then of course they released on like footlocker.com and stuff. I took an L on the 10-minute head start for these shoes. I was super mad. Usually when I was in Oklahoma, I could always hit on the 10-minute head start. Now I can never hit on it. So, and these shoes didn't release anywhere in San Antonio via the raffle on Foot Locker. None of the Foot Lockers got them via raffle. So yeah, man, I had to do what I had to do. But I did hit for my size. This is size 11, which is size 9.5 in men. You know your boy go from size 8.5 to 9.5. It fluctuates, and I heard that the women's sizes run a little bit smaller than what they actually supposed to be. Like, you know, you're supposed to go down 1.5 sizes, but on these, they should actually be good. So I got me a size 11 in these things, and these things is looking really good. The leather, the quality, everything about them is looking dope, man. That satin on the back, you already know we're gonna save the full. Dang, and the leather is super plush on the toe box. This is crazy. You already know I'm bringing you guys that review and on feet tomorrow. I might drop it tonight, but I do want to drop this pickup vlog. I don't want to be too long. I do want to show you guys what happened today. It was so crazy, man. But like I said, let me know in the comments below if you did cop a pair. One of the shoes of the year. Like, no cap. I ain't trying to front. I ain't trying to hype the shoe up. I think the shoe speaks for itself when talking about the quality, the craftsmanship, and of course the satin on these guys, man. Look at these. Just look at them. Moment of silence looking at these Air Jordan 1 Satin Black Toes. As y'all know, this shoe holds a special spot in my heart because I sold my size 9 that I got on the Black Toes, a regular pair in 2016. I only sold them for like 260 bucks. And if I check the resale on them things now, those shoes are not attainable right now. But it is what it is. I got a satin pair. I'm Gucci with this one, and I'm glad to have it in the collection. Y'all let me know in the comments below right now. Like I said, if you cop this pair, let me know if you got another size to resell. Try to get your size, because I think that the price is gonna rise up a lot on these shoes, as we can see with like all the Air Jordan 1s. All the Air Jordan 1s that are released always gain value. I never see a Jordan 1 that drops in value besides those SP Genas. Those things are going for like 600-700 bucks, and now they're going for like 250, 300 here and there. So I don't know what's going on with that shoe, but of course the regular retro ones and the satins are always gonna go for a lot of money. So if you're a reseller, if you did good today, shouts out to you, and your boy was a reseller day too, because this thing's about to go straight to StockX or GOAT. I don't know yet. I want to do a video kind of explaining how to sell on GOAT and StockX, but I don't know which one I want to choose from. Y'all know I spent way more money on StockX, but I like GOAT better because GOAT was clutch when I was over in Germany. So We're gonna see which one I choose to sell on. We're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna bring you guys along with the process. I appreciate everybody for tuning into this video. Make sure y'all share, like, comment, subscribe. Notification bell for your boy. Follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World, man. The link will be in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this dope vlog, lit vlog, crazy vlog, violent vlog, whatever you want to call it. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.